Watercolor, watercolor, beautiful watercolor. Let's use this color in this video. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful cornetto ice cream with tracing. I know kids, you all love cornetto. So here I draw a dotted picture. Let's connect all the dots and see this will be a beautiful ice cream. Follow me and try to draw with me. There are different types of ice cream and different flavors of ice cream. Which ice cream do you like? I draw the picture. Now it's time to color it. I will make it a rainbow ice cream. First one I am using the red color. Now I am using orange color. This is yellow color. This is light green color. Now I am using light blue color. And this is called purple color. Here I am using brown color. And now I am using light brown color. This is a brush pen color. Wow, the rainbow ice cream is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new interesting video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids. Wow!